a quick last-minute update. I haven't been updating the Rolloween project recently. It's been a bit of a crunch time. I've been taking days off to complete this. Percy, the Mars Rover, just left minutes ago, where Emile will be wearing it this afternoon for the school parade, and then all evening to trick or treat. Tools, because things do fall off, they break off. So glue gun, I've got some extra batteries, I've got the control for his various lights on his rover, and we're heading over there at 2 o'clock. So you might be wondering how big that costume is. We need a delivery truck to get it here.
And then we have to bring in Percy through the school's loading dock, where it was assembled and secured to Emile's chair. We found some pretty clever, simple ways to keep the rover attached securely. Next year, we'll surely have to move these anchor points around for another rider, but that's next year. We slipped the supercam, mast cam, nav cam array onto Emile's headrest. A microcontroller powers a stepper motor, which spins the array left to right 360 degrees at different speeds and intervals. The power system, that part which protrudes at an angle in back, is held in place with two 8-inch wooden dowels which slide into the body of the rover. I know I've covered the wheels extensively. I can't shut up about our ingenious use of camping mats, pool noodles, PEX tubing and other plumbing supplies to craft light, sturdy, inexpensive, and cute as heck wheels. That front arm is called Sherlock and Watson, and the Pixel camera. Ours has a transparent plastic container with a light underneath it, so it lights its way, and that's how the rover will be collecting candy as Emile tricks or treats that evening. Emile did a couple of laps around the school's corridors, and then it was time for the costume contest and party. And this says it all.
Est-ce qu'on peut l'applaudir? Est-ce qu'on peut l'applaudir?
And this. We left Emile and his rover as he started trick-or-treating in the neighborhood, and after eating his mom's pizza, so thanks Hélène. Percy has returned to the workshop, but there's still more to come. It might be finding a new home in a very special place till next Halloween, when it'll be passed on to another special needs child. Also, Emile has another project, which we're working on. Lastly, I'd like to thank all those who helped with this project. Geneviève, Marie-Lise, Juliette, Alex, Dave, Ed, Kim and the boys, Rosie, and Samba the dog, and Penske for that moving truck with Patrice as the driver. And especially Emile's parents, Hélène and Patrice, for being so available and patient. But above all, our buddy Emile.